Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual, installation instructions, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Installation of the PopClean Elite Popper Series poppers should be performed by qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped, must be charged and activated by an ANSOL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Turn on the main power switch. Now press Cook on your home screen. Next, select your recipe by selecting mushroom popcorn, sweet flavoring, and select your popcorn load size, then press OK. Your kettle will then begin preheating. While the kettle is preheating, you need to prepare and measure your popcorn and glaze pop. When the machine is ready, the screen will prompt you to add corn. Add the ingredients and close the lid. Press OK to confirm. Once your ingredients have been loaded, press OK to dispense oil. When the screen says Add Sweet Flavoring, determine if corn has begun to pop. If it has, do not open the lid as this could be potentially dangerous. Otherwise, add glaze pop and press OK. Your popcorn will start popping and the screen will alert you when it is time to dump the kettle. When prompted, dump the kettle and confirm by pressing OK. Take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels. The screen will now ask you if you need to repeat recipe. Select OK to cook another batch. If done, select Cancel. Now you are ready to scoop and serve up delicious popcorn.